guys can hear me. Getting ready to do an unboxing of the Focusrite 18i8. Just got it, just received it just now. So this video is not nothing that's exponential or anything like that. I'm just going to do a box opening of the Focusrite. I'm getting ready to set this up with the Phantom Roland, the flagship 88 keys that just came out, and then I'm going to also set it up with the MPC-X. Okay, so those two pieces of equipment will be running through the Focusrite 18i8, and that will be my audio interface. This is going to be my audio interface. I will be set up to produce music through those two pieces of equipment, running into a iMac. And yeah, it's a couple monitors. Okay, so here we go. Just so you guys can see it, this is the second one that I purchased. This is the first one I had. I believe it was a defective one. When I opened the box, there was a little kind of film from where it looked like somebody had already been using it. Maybe some wear, I'm not sure. But so when I tried to plug in the MPC-X, the sound was going through it. But then when I tried to put in the Roland, the 2/4 inches in the back, the ends, the mic ends, it wasn't working for the Roland Phantom. No sounds were passing through. So I returned it back. I said, hey, look, send me another one. It doesn't look like that one's working, or possibly something I'm doing wrong. I'm not sure, but I did express to them that the one that I had looked like it had already been used at some point. I could tell from the top. So we're going to open this up and make sure that we have a brand new one. Make sure this is not defective. I am not going to show you if it works or if it sounds good or anything like that. This is only an opening of the box. That's it, an opening of the box. Okay, that's all. The opening of the box. That's all you're going to get on this video, is the opening of the Focusrite, and you're going to see exactly what you get when you open this particular box. Okay, all right. So let's get to it. Okay, this comes inside of this. As you can see, it's taped up. It looks like it's taped up. And this is what you get. Okay, got your back. Looks like it has some software that comes with it. All right, looks like it gives you some visuals on how it should be set up, and we're gonna go from there. All right, that's briefly descriptive. Also, how you can use certain parameters. Now we're expecting to see if there's any wear and tear on this thing as far as the cables. It comes with a power adapter two changeables, depending on what type of voltage you're running out of your studio. I'll stick that there. Then it also comes with a USB cable to USB-C. Alright. And of course, here it is. Okay. So, and it was a used one that they gave me because this was not in it when I opened it. So it was a used one that they gave me. Alright. So now I know that this is a brand new one. This has not been used at any point. It has not been tampered with. So now we're going to open this one up. Yep. And inspect it. Make sure. Yeah. See, the last one, there was an area in here where it was looked like the paint, maybe the gloss. It wasn't the paint. It was the gloss on it. The finish was removed. Okay. This is definitely a brand new one. I have no doubts about that this one's going to work. Okay. This is the end of the video. It comes with this, I don't know what that is, but that's what it comes with. But this ends the video. Well, at least I can tell you how I'm going to set it up. I'm going to run 2 of the 1/4 inches of the MPCX inside here. That's going to be your line in. All right, 2 1/4 inches left and right. Okay. And then I'm going to run in the Rolling Phantom 1/4 inches inside of here. And then I'm going to plug in the outputs, the monitor speakers, 2 into here, left and right, so the sound will come out. And of course, going to connect the USB right here into the computer, okay? And then we're going to connect power cord in, and then that, of course you're going to use that to cut it on, and that should do it.